Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today we're looking at the Parabolic from Fotodiox. It's a softbox, 36 inches, and it will go right onto my key light over here, and that is the SL60W from Unbox. Let's just show you that thing. Yeah, there it is, up there, peeking. If you guys haven't watched my macOS Big Sur video, I just made it. It's pretty epic. This thing is a beast. And now let's find out if this softbox is too. So here's the box that it comes in. It's pretty messed up if you ask me. Like, it's like ripped everywhere. But yeah, just cut it open. And yeah, let's just open it up, and it comes in a case. And it's pretty light. Alright, we don't need this box anymore. So, here's our case. It says Fotodiox. Fotodiox, that's all it says. And the case is not that great, but it's a case. We're just going to open it up, and we see our softbox in here. So let's just grab it all at once. Let's pull it out. Whew, I almost dropped the Bowen's mount. Okay, nothing else. Alright, so here's the softbox, and there's the bottom of it. Now, there is no instructions whatsoever. But luckily, I think I know how to do this. Let me rephrase that. Luckily, I hope I know how to do this.
Wow!
So I'm thinking we have to install the Bowen's mount first by taking this out and maneuvering it in a way. And it should be pretty easy. I don't have to screw anything, hopefully. So I'm just going to slide it under here. Yeah, never mind. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver. I wanted to apologize to you guys about the audio quality for this video. I'm using a lapel mic, and that's because I'm trying to get my other mic working. It's failed a lot of my videos recently. Alright, so we have a screwdriver. I'm gonna start by just unscrewing these. So now, we're just going to try to put this on. Okay, so now that that is on, I'm guessing... Actually, I'm not going to guess, because I don't think it matters which way it's on here. So I'm just going to start putting the screws back on and tightening them. Starting with the one across from the knob. Okay, that's tightened, and then over here, this is tightened. So now it shouldn't come out. Alright, so we have all three screws in here, which is great. Again, there's no instructions, so I just have to figure this out myself. I'm guessing I'm going to open it up like an umbrella. I'm gonna push this umbrella thing down. Oh, this is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Now, how do I, okay. Good. It's a pretty sturdy softbox, but this is way bigger than I thought way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It's like longer than my arm. Yeah, I'm gonna need to find a new place for my studio. It's not gonna fit down here. So inside of our inside of our bag, we have the inside ring diffusion, and I'm guessing this is gonna go. I'm guessing it goes here. Is there another diffusion layer? I see places for 3. 1, 2, and 3. I'm guessing it just goes on the big one. So right here.
Thursday, just another Thursday to me. Gotta every single day of the week, baby. Oh.
And then lastly, our big diffusion. And now this, I don't get how this will go on, but I guess I'll figure it out. Guessing it goes not on the top, because that's where the that is where the egg crate would go. So I'm guessing it goes this way. Alright, I think I figured it out.
Honestly, it's just me another Thursday. I need to kick my feet up, pour another forward, my 1 liter.
And there's our softbox. Pretty neat. I'm just gonna go around like I did with the other one and just make sure it's all contacted with the Velcro. Alright, so now we need to put it on. I'm gonna flip it upside down. So now I'm going to put it on our light. I'm going to take the light instead. And I'm going to put it onto the softbox that way. Okay, so now I have this. Put it in here. I'm gonna turn right. Alright, so now, now we put it on the stand. Ah, jeez. I'm gonna try to angle it up so it doesn't mess up my monitor. Whew. Man, this is a workout. Alright, and we're on. And it's tightened. Ugh. Wow. Alright. This thing, guys, this thing is pretty... That thing is it's not very bright because it's just on like 10% or something. But now we can get brighter. Let's get as bright as we can. 100%. Let's just move you guys over here because you probably can't see me unless, yeah, the light. Alright. Well, guys, this is the softbox. It's huge, 32 inches. I don't believe that's 32 inches, but if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you guys are new to the channel or you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to get notified on a new video comes out. This light is a beast, and you guys should get it. The link will be in the description below. And yeah, peace.
Burn this shit into the ground, oh well. For all we got tonight, let's do this right. Let's do this right. Let's go to